Welcome to the hidden beauty between the cities of Bantul and Kulonprogo. Here we will see from the air a simple but meaningful work of the Sesek Temben wooden bridge. This bridge is not a big government project, but the fruit of hard work and mutual cooperation of residents local. From up here, we can see how this bridge is an important part of people's daily lives. Even though it looks simple, this bridge is able to withstand the burden of people's daily activities, including pedestrians, cyclists, and motorbikes. Not only is this wooden bridge useful functionally, it also adds aesthetic value to the natural surroundings. Surrounded by stunning green views, the Sesek Temben Bridge seems to be one with nature, becoming a small icon that connects the two cities. This is the Sesek Temben wooden bridge, clear evidence of the spirit of mutual cooperation of the people of Bantul and Kulonprogo. A simple but meaningful work, which continues to support their daily life and mobility. Sesek Temben Bridge is located on Jalan Sentalo, Brazit, Temben, Jembatan Kek, Lenda, Kulonprogo Regency, Yogyakarta Special Region. Thank you for flying with us over the Sesek Temben Bridge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that more people know about the beauty and uniqueness of places like this. See you in our next drone view video.